Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. I know you guys love no credit check loans, credit lines, and at the same time credit cards. And Credit Viral is one of those channels which brings you those videos and content that you really want to see and the loans that you really want to apply. But I've been reviewing a lot of loans from different fintech companies. But how about that I tell you right now that I am going to review a loan right in front of you that requires no credit check, and yes, it's a huge traditional bank. Yes, right in front of you there's a loan from US Bank, and I was surprised when I found out about them. So I'm going to review this and tell you step by step how you can apply it and what are the requirements that you need to fulfill. But before moving forward with this video, I would like to request you to please like the video so it will reach to the wider audience, and it also helps channel grow. And remember that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $5,000 business credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So I'm going to make this video very short and precise because I know that you all are really excited about it. But remember, there are some requirements that you need to fulfill in order to get this loan. But US Bank, it's a very huge financial institution, and when it comes to this, I think this is one of those loans that you can get with closed eyes, and I love it. Yes, there are some things and there's always a price to pay whenever you find out about these sort of loans, but remember, this is a very good option, and this is an amazing option especially for those people who have already an account with US Bank. Yes, if you have an account with US Bank already, then you are on top right now. So what are those things? How much you can borrow? It's right here in front of you. So you can borrow actually up to $1,000, and then the criteria is that you need to pay it back in 3 months. So it's totally up to you that either you're going to pay it in full in 1 month, or you're going to pay it in 2 split payments, or in 3 payments, or you can just probably do it every week and just pay it in 3 months with ease. But remember, there are some fees associated with it, and you know, every payment that you make, the automatic payment, $12 fee will be charged. So for example, how it works: if you borrow $400, right, and select automatic payments, so your fee will be $48. So it's going to be in total $448 in 3 months, and then you will pay this loan in full. So 3 monthly payments of approximately $149.33 each month. So this is something which gives you the flexibility to pay it back. And remember, you can use this loan if you really need the money, and you need the money probably within minutes, and they will give you within minutes. But what are the things that you need to fulfill in order to get this loan? So let's talk about it. So to get started, these are the requirements you need to fulfill. First, you have to be at least 18 years and old, and at the same time you have to be a US Bank customer or having a checking account with them. So when you have a checking account with them and you are 18 years of age and older, and you are also having a minimum of 6 months banking relationship with them, so it means you have a checking account open with them for past 6 months. So if you're 18, having a checking account open for at least 6 months, you have completed the first step. Now let's talk about the second one. So you have to have a 3 month of recurring direct deposit in a US Bank checking account. So what it means that there must be money coming into your account, right? So in the past 3 months, if your salary is coming into the US bank account, then of course you are good to go. And the last thing, they do require your social security number, but remember, there is no credit check, not even a soft pull, so don't worry about it. So this is a loan that is specifically for the people who are 18 years and older, have a US checking account open for at least 6 months, and they had at least 3 direct deposit into their account in past 3 months. If you are the person who thinks that who's fulfilling all these requirements, then just apply with peace. I know this is an hidden opportunity, not a lot of people know about it. So when I got to know about it, I got really excited because believe me, these traditional financial institutions are not really good when it comes to giving you the money, because they rely on your income, on your credit report, and they usually require it good or excellent. So I believe this is an opportunity from US Bank which not a lot of people know about. And if you are already a US bank account holder, or you already have a relationship with them, then I think this is a great opportunity for you if you need some funds in a quick manner. So thank you so much for watching this video, and remember, right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $5,000 business credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And don't forget to comment below for any questions or feedback that you have, and I'll be happy to answer. Take care.